Rohde and Schwarz security scanners field tested. Find out more about successful installation of QPS 201 in the passenger screening area at Shannon Airport in Ireland.
Hi everyone, welcome to Shannon Airport, where we're showcasing our new passenger screening area. So come and join me and my friends while we take a trip through and see what it's all about. My name is Elsha and I'm from County Clare, and today I'm going to Alicante. It's my first time travelling since March 2020 and I found it really cool. It's quite easy, you don't have to take out your liquids and you just put your bags through, and the new scanning system is really good, and yeah, I thought it was really effective. It was much quicker this time than the last time I travelled, which makes the trip even more fun.